Ito apat kinuha ko eh.
Kinuha ko yung isa.
Paano?
Invisible ka lang.
Invisible nga.
May windwalk kasi.
Windwalk. Nakita mo.
Grabe, galing mo naman mag-skate. Paano yun? Turo mo sa akin. Sige na.
Gusto mo magpaturo?
Dapat ma-impress ako dyan ah.
Just say start. Point ako. This one? Okay. So your card is at the bottom. Look at your card. I won't look. Look at the bottom card because that's where you start. Okay? Stop the deck. Finish up. Okay, shuffle the deck.
Gabi.
Okay, shuffle the deck.
Hindi ako marunong. Hindi ko kaya.
Ano na lang.
Okay. You know how to ripple shuffle? Ripple shuffle is what's a ripple shuffle?
Ano tawag sa akin?
Ripple shuffle.
Ripple shuffle.
Ano tawag sa akin?
But
Ganun yung tinatry ko, di ko kaya.
pero there's if you're drunk or Tagalog sa
Lasing.
pero
Sigiro.
Paglasing.
pag lasing ka,
Sigero.
sometimes your ripple shuffle is the opposite way. Kasi lasing ka na hindi mo na alam kung ano ang facing up or ano ang facing down. Diba? I'm going to show
Lasing
you.
ka ba?
Medyo. Okay. I'll try to show you all the cards in this deck. But whenever you see your card, don't react yet. That's the same rule because it's always you see your card, don't react. So far you didn't see your card, right?
Secret.
Okay, did you see your card?
Yeah.
So for sure, your card is not in here. So if your card is facing up, were you able to count how many cards were facing up? No. Good thing I counted how many cards were facing up. Because there's only one. Check mo na.
Ano harap? Oo nga, paano yun? Ang daya, ayoko na.
Na-impress ka na.
Impress, di ba? Impress ka na.